Hi guys, hi everyone, you're welcome to my YouTube channel and you're welcome for my forecast. So you're welcome to stay here and watch what I do with the euro, with the Bitcoin, with the oil market. And I do give you researches, I do give you technical instruments to understand what you have to buy, what you have to sell. A little bit from my story. I have a huge experience and I'm well-known expert from Russian market, but I also speak English and I live in United Arabian Emirates. So I live in Dubai and I have people around me who also want to trade, who also want to know some forecasts, who also want to know some trades, who want to trade. And for those people who come from India, who come from America, who come from England, I will repeat all the information that I give for Russian speaking traders here on my YouTube channel, and you're welcome to stay here. So please, you have to support me and press those thumbs up, write something under the video, and ask me questions so I have motivation to make more videos for you. And yes, I will try to give you information as often as I can do that. You also may join me in Telegram channel. You also may join me in my Instagram channel. So you watch me, you remember that I'm here for you with my forecasts, with the trading, because first of all, I trade for myself. After that, I have all those clients and traders who are Russian speaking, and the third area right now is an English speaking area. But I do know that there are a lot of people who also need support, who also need some ideas how to trade, when to trade, well, what to use in daily trading, and should I buy stocks or should I trade Forex? What will happen with, I don't know, maybe with the oil market or with the gold, and that's what I'm here for. So please, I ask you to support me with all those thumbs up and join my YouTube channel, Instagram channel, and Telegram channel. So I wanna make a huge community, traders community in English world as well. So yeah, thank you very much for answering and for writing to me. Well, you are welcome here. Okay, let's start with the forecast because that's what I'm here for. A couple of days ago, I made a video for you with the euro forecast and so on. So let's check what's going on right now. And am I right with the selling euro? Yes, I'm right. So let's check what to do next. I will show you now my charts and will try to explain what I see and how I see. We start with euro dollar. What I usually do is I check the technical part, and right now for euro dollar you can see that there was a tendency line from far ago from 2008. Here is a huge tendency line on weekly chart. It goes right here down, and you can see that price broke this tendency line a year and a half ago. Broke, retest, went up, down, and what they did here? They did not renew the maximum price. So this was a good sell sign for euro because they did not renew this extremum. Everything that I give you from technical part, please either remember or write down, because those little tricks, I repeat, on a weekly chart, on 5-minute chart, on 1-hour chart, for any instrument, either stocks, either Forex, either oil market, or this also might be the index, some indexes, whatever. Same secrets, same tricks. So they did not renew the maximum price and they went down. How far do they go down? They go at least to the level of support with this tendency from 15 years ago. How do I recognize what is the level of support? What is the support that they have to touch and give us a rebound? Me personally, I use the Ishimoku cloud. And the Ishimoku cloud is not the trading system right now. I know the trading system with Ishimoku cloud, but it's a boring one. But it's really good for trends. It is really good for trends. But you know that market is not a trendy market right now. And you can see it from like 5 years ago, 6 years ago. It's not a trendy market. It's a range market. Forex market is in range. Not for every currency, but for euro dollar, which you love the most, for Great Britain pound, it's in range. I will show you Great Britain pound later. So look here. For euro, I use this level of support with the horizontal lines of Shimoku cloud, and it says that next target for you to sell is 1.1060. After they touch this, they may go even to 1.1010. So this is the level of support which we think is a good one for January, for February, maybe March. The technical level of support. I don't know what will happen really, but I'm trying to find the level on weekly, monthly, or daily chart, which I will see as a star, like I see that they are trying to go there. Okay, let's try to see what's up on daily chart. Do we have any buy or sell signals right now? Now it's just some black candle, nothing, no sign, no candlestick sign. So what should we do? We should consider the tendency, the daily tendency, the weekly tendency. And yes, we go through those charts and like, oh my God, it's going down. So what's next? We go on lower chart. We go on 1 hour chart. What do you see here? You can see that they have some shadows on the bottom side on 1 hour chart. Let's go on 4 hour chart. No shadows actually. What does it mean? That we have to follow the tendency. How do we draw tendency line? We take the maximum price that we had recently. This is the one. We make this tendency and it will help us to find entry point. Until price is being under this tendency, you are welcome to sell this. Not right now. Not right now though. This is not the best moment to sell for you. Why? Because on 1 hour chart you can see those shadows on the bottom side, and this is a risky moment actually. It doesn't show you an opportunity to earn today, you see? So the general idea is a good one. General idea to sell euro is a good one, but not right now, because you don't see shadows on the upper side. You see shadows on the bottom side. It means that someone is sitting here, some buyer. Maybe this is because of the end of this week. Maybe because we are really close to the end of January. End of January means that someone wants to, fix the profit. And it shows us that market may go a little bit up. So after they go up, like give us correction, maybe they will touch those tendencies, like this tendency line, and after that we may sell again, but not right now. I go to 15-minute chart, and what I can do, I can use my range. If you don't know my trading system, so yeah, this is my trading system for a 15-minute chart, and I know that I didn't open it for you yet. This is not a secret actually, I just don't have time for that, because this is something that you have to understand and use it. This is not like it's not that hard, but it's also not that easy, so you need to take time to understand it. Okay, but I promise I will try to find time to show it to you for free. No payment, for free. Okay, so over here, what I'm gonna use the 24 moving average, and until the price is being under 24 moving average, to sell intraday is still a good idea. Well, what is my target? I can take the minimum price that I saw here, the next minimum price, make the tendency, the bottom tendency, and my sell target is 1.10.90. So until price is being under 24 moving average on 15-minute chart, I still want to sell. Actually, I still want to sell. And it's not like I'm gonna earn $1 million. I'm just gonna earn this little part. When do I enter market? I'm gonna go on 1 minute chart and check. Okay, now price is being above 200 moving average. I don't like that. As far as price goes under 200 moving average, and you can see the stochastic oscillator is being on the level of resistance, so it's being near the upper side. So when price goes under 200 moving average on 1 minute chart, and you see stochastic is showing us a good sell signal right now, so only after that I can try to sell. It means that I want price to break like 1.1130 area, and after that I sell. That's how it works. Not right now, no matter how beautiful it looks. Only under 1.1130 I will try to sell again. And my target goes to over here, 1.1090 area. I hope it will help you to earn if you want to trade euro. Okay, now we go to Great Britain pound, because here you'll find something interesting. Look at this chart. I don't know if you go through history, but I want you to go through the history. And this is the Great Britain pound weekly chart, and you can see a range. On 4-hour chart you won't see this range. On 1-hour chart you won't see this range, but on weekly chart or daily chart and monthly chart, when you press the minus on this M4, you will see this range. What does it mean? It means that market is staying in a range for many days and months and weeks, and you still don't have an opportunity to work as you work in trends. It's not giving me a sell or buy signal right now, but it's giving me an opportunity to understand how I can manage my money and my deals in this range. Either for example, I sell right now, and price goes up, so I lose money, and I'm not trying to close my deals. I'm trying to understand, either they show us upgoing tendency in this range. No, actually right now we still have to wait for price to go down to 131. Actually, that's what it is. On daily chart, I found some good level of support. It's even really good on 1-hour chart and 4-hour chart as well. Check it like this. It was a really good level of support in November 2021. It was a good support and resistance in November. It was a good resistance in December. It was a good resistance and support in December. And right now, this is a resistance. This is still support, which may become a resistance after they break it. So under this area, under 1.3370, when they break it on 15-minute chart and 1-hour chart. So what means to break it? To break means that close price of 15-minute chart will be under this area. Close price of 1-hour chart will be under this area. This is the break. And when it happens, you're welcome to sell it with a target 1.3190 or 132. So that's how it's going to work for me. Not right now, not in this entire moment, but after they show us a break. It may happen in 1 hour. It may not happen today. It may happen on Monday. But this is the challenge for you to wait. Not like, oh, Maria said it's good to sell right now, so I can sell it. Or, well, she knows what to do. No, I don't know what to do. I know what I will do. I know what I'm gonna do when they make this if situation. So when they go under this area, I will sell it with a target 131.90. I hope it will help you to earn money, guys. This is my idea. This is my target. I want you to be cool in trading. Okay, so let's go for maybe, I think we should take Ethereum or maybe Bitcoin. Well, what's up with this instrument? How cool it is right now. Is it good to sell, to buy, or what's going on? If you have ideas what you want to see, you're welcome to ask questions in the chat. Okay, so for Bitcoin on monthly chart, what's up with that? It's really complicated, but you can see that I have some blue areas which I think may happen. It's not a forecast, it's just my prediction, technical prediction. There is no forecast right now. I just want you to understand the divergence that we have. Divergence means the difference between price and RSI, the oscillator. What's the divergence? You can see maximum prices which are going up on a chart, and you can see maximum prices which are going down on oscillator. What's up with that? It may give you a signal that here is a really weak buyer, and you can see that there was a divergence after that price went down. So it looks like it works. Let's go on a weekly chart. Any forecasts, any trading ideas, you can see the divergence again. What means divergence? The difference between chart and oscillator. So the upgoing maximum prices here and downgoing maximum prices here. This is the divergence. And it shows that buyer is weak, and you should consider an opportunity for price to go down, and that's what happened. It happened. It might work. Let's go on daily chart. What you can see right now. For example, if you leave chart like this with a history from January 2021, like a year one history, you will say that this is actually a range. And you are right, this is a range. Actually, right now, it looks like a huge range. So what is this? The 30 area. This is a support area for this range. A really good technical support area. Okay, so do we have any divergence right now? Let's check. Minimum price, minimum price, minimum price. Every minimum price goes lower, lower, lower. Let's go for stochastic oscillator or RSI, whatever you use. Minimum price, and minimum price. Also, it goes lower, lower, lower. So there is no difference. All those minimum prices go lower. So there is no divergence, no opportunity for us to wait a buyer. This gives us an understanding that it will be much better to try to buy Bitcoin in this area, 30 area. And maybe over here we will see the divergence, because we'll see a new minimum price for Bitcoin on daily chart, and for RSI they may stop over here and they will make this divergence, because minimum price will go lower for Bitcoin and minimum price will go higher for RSI. And we may see the divergence here. We don't see it yet, it's not here, but we may see it. And only after that, it's okay to buy Bitcoin. Not right now, there is no buy signal yet. But this is daily chart. Let's try to see what's up on 4-hour chart. Do we use any, I don't know, RSI signals or what? Actually, it's not that bad to use a RSI signal. It's really good. And you may see the divergence over here, up, and over here. Look, minimum price goes lower and lower. Minimum price goes lower and higher. Divergence. It means that for Bitcoin, I would wait price like 41.50 area. They may jump there on 1-hour chart or 4-hour chart. They may show you this price. And if you're trying to buy with this divergence, this is the area where you should close. So either you use the technical level of resistance, which is around 41 area, and second opportunity is to use the RSI signal. That RSI will try to go to 70 area, and over here they will show you the reverse signal, like sell signal. So after they try to reach the 70 area, the RSI, after that you close the Bitcoin purchases. That's how it works. So there is no buy signal right now, like a good 100% signal. But if you trade intraday, you may try, of course, to use these divergent signals. Okay, what's up with the Ethereum? Let's see on weekly chart. On the weekly chart, they're trying to test the support of Ishimoku cloud. Okay, they're trying to test it. On monthly chart, they're trying to test the horizontal line of Ishimoku cloud, Ishimoku Kingahai Kijun line. Okay, on daily chart, nothing really. But here is the 200 area, which is actually a good support. It's over here. This is a support, 2000 area. This is a support. Do we have buy signal right now? No, we don't. Do we have sell signal right now? No, we don't. But we still see that there is no one buying this instrument. There is no buyer. If we go to 1-hour chart or 4-hour chart, price is being under the 200 moving average. It means that we are not allowed to buy it right now. price still may go lower. Only after they break the 200 moving average and price will stay above that area, we can try to buy it, but not right now. So my forecast and my idea is that Ethereum will still show us new minimum, and only after that they give you a buy signal, not right now. Okay, what else we should check and we could check? I want to see, for example, Canadian dollar. Not Canadian. Let's check the Euro Great Britain pound, because this is something that I personally earn on because I sell it. I keep selling it. What is an idea of this instrument? An idea is also about range. Watch it. Since 2016, this currency pair is being in a range. Level of support is right now 0.83. Level of resistance is over 0.93 area. So 1,000 pips or 10,000 pips if you work with the fifth sign after the dot. So 10,000 pips, the range. Cool one. Do we have buy signal right now? No, we don't. We are right now on a really good level of support, but it's not the guarantee that they will give you a buy signal. This means that price is being near important level, but they may go here, 0.8160. Why? If you go to history, that's something that I always pay attention to. If you go to history, you will see this gap. It was in 2016. Long time ago. You don't remember that, 6 years ago, but here is a gap. And if they break the 0.83 area, they will close this gap. That's why this is my target, and this is something that I want to see in the nearest future. Also, what I like to use the Fibonacci extension, and sometimes, yes, I do use these Fibonacci moments. And look here, it shows me that first target for me goes to 0.8190. Okay, after they break 0.8190, they may go to 0.78 area. Wow, which is common with what? With the middle part of previous range. So you also may see that this is a target if your Great Britain pound will not give you a buy signal near 0.8160 area. This is something that you can earn on this year. Everyone's talking about Indian market or oil market, which I think still will go up, but whatever. Also, we hear about the Bitcoin, and no one is showing you opportunities for cross currencies. This is not a guarantee that they will sell up to here, but only if they stay under 0.83 area. So price may stay under this area. After that, you are welcome to sell with the target 0.8160, and so far that's it for me. Okay, so I hope you like what I told you about, and I hope that you will use it, guys. If you have questions, you're welcome to ask them. For American indexes, by the way, I wasn't going to talk about that, but okay, let's talk. For American indexes, S&P 500 is still not in buy area. They still may show you lower prices, and under 4,180 they will go to 3,800. So you got to be careful of that. There is still no buy signal. If situation will change and they will give us buy signal over here, I will be really happy, and I will buy with the target for 4,970. So this will be my target, but only if they give me a buy signal tomorrow, I mean like on Monday or on Tuesday, whatever. Not Tuesday or Monday, but you have to understand that today, 28th of January, this is not just the end of a week, this is the end of a month. And in the beginning of next month, they may show us a good signal. So this is something that you should wait for, the beginning of a new month. And if they show us a good buy signal in the beginning of February, that will mean that we have an opportunity to see a good upgoing tendency in February and March. So let's see you in February, and let's discuss what will happen there, what we can earn on. I want you to stay here on this YouTube channel. I want you to press the thumbs up under my video, and I want you to comment something right now under my video and to ask me questions, because this is something that will motivate me to make more videos for you. I would like to remind you that this is all for free, and what I do, I trade by myself. I have a huge Russian trading community which I support with my trading ideas, and we have all charts and all that. I love them. They're really cool because they have to trade by themselves, and all they make predictions, they lose, they win, and they travel around the world, and we see each other. So this is a really cool community, and right now I'm trying to make videos and support my English speaking traders, so you're welcome to become a part of my community, and I hope it will become even bigger, because there are a lot of people who speak English in the world, and I hope you will like what I do, and I will help you to earn money. So